Now we will discuss mirror neurons and language, challenges and future directions. Mirror neurons represent a distinctive class of neurons that discharge both when an individual executes a motor act and when he observes another individual performing the same or a similar motor act. So first of all, let's see what we mean by mirror neurons. Now, mirror neurons are brain cells that actually respond to observed actions of others. Now, these neurons, which in our brain reflect not only the movement but also the intentions, sensation and emotions of others or people around you, and also or may help explain the process of, or you can say a disease which is autism. As we all know that it is basically a social impairment, you can say, in terms of impairment in social interaction and developing of language and communication skills. And also, in addition to autism, we have language learning as well as empathy for others and the transmission of culture, that how culture is transmitted. So basically, these are the cells that are there in our brain. The mirror system provided a natural platform for the subsequent evolution of language. So this has a basis in the study of the evolution of language, especially the understanding of gestures. And it has been seen that gesture has been a key component in the evolution of a particular language. So let's discuss the mirror neurons and how it contributes in the evolution of a language. Now, on an image that you have, you can see Broca's area responsible for the language you have here, top, front, side and back. Now, in human functional MRI studies have reported findings areas homologous to the monkey mirror neuron system in the inferior frontal cortex close to Broca's area, one of the hypothesized language regions of the brain. Now, this has led to suggestion that human language evolved from a gesture performance understanding system implemented in mirror neurons. Now, I have this excerpt for you which states basically a mirror system provides a natural substrate for the embodiment of language. Mirror neurons were themselves first discovered in area F5 of the monkey's frontal cortex, an area considered the homologue of Broca's area, which is the first area to have been identified as involved in language. More precisely, Broca's area in humans can be divided into Brodmann areas 44 and 45, with area 44 considered the true analog of area F5. Brain imaging shows that area 45 is activated by language output, whether spoken or signed, whereas area 44 is activated by non-linguistic motor functions including complex hand movements and sensory motor learning and integration. Indeed, it has been proposed that Broca's area should now be regarded as a collective term involving many different functions and no clearly demarcated subdivisions. To conclude, human language, according to this or their study, shows that it has been evolved from gesture performance and also with the help of mirror neurons contributing in the understanding of gesture performance.